Welcome to UNLV, one of the nation's top research universities and home to the longest-running physical therapy program in Nevada.
UNLV's Department of Physical Therapy offers a 3-year doctoral degree program that combines classroom coursework with clinical learning experiences. Our curriculum immerses students in cutting-edge research, best practices, and emerging trends shaping the future of the physical therapy field.
As a nationally ranked program, UNLV's Department of Physical Therapy is a trusted leader in the industry and the healthcare community. Students benefit from faculty expertise across various specialties and have the opportunity to engage in impactful research projects. With strong licensure pass rates and high job placement statistics, our program ensures graduates are well prepared for professional success.
I am so grateful for this program because I was fortunate enough to have a rural health scholarship for my first clinical rotation in Minden, Nevada. This is important to me because I grew up in a rural and underserved community in Hawaii, and this experience will allow me to provide quality care to people who look like me and who have had the same experiences as me and my family, and I want to ensure that there is equity and culturally sensitive care.
Once enrolled, our program fosters a supportive and inclusive environment for students with mentorship, student organizations, and leadership opportunities that enhance both personal and professional growth.
My success in UNLV's PT program has been largely shaped by the incredible support of our faculty and the G2 Buddy program, which paired me with a second-year student and a faculty mentor. They would always give me any advice, specifically from a student's standpoint. The faculty here are amazing and they give you all the resources that you have in order to find success in the program. When I would feel lost and be really nervous, my buddy would always come, give me some tips and tricks and just calm my nerves down and just reminding me that everything was gonna be okay in the end.
As a Carnegie classified research institution, UNLV's PT program provides students invaluable research and service learning opportunities.
One of my most rewarding experiences at UNLV PT has been working alongside individuals with Parkinson's disease through our ongoing research. The recent participant we had seen who moved to Las Vegas just a few months ago told us she was nervous about not knowing anybody, and even confided in us about her fear of falling with her Parkinson's disease. So through our resources that we collected throughout the years, especially through a class that Dr. Nash teaches, where she encourages us to go out in the community, we were able to connect her to her community center at her senior living neighborhood, where she later on told us that she enrolled in these social groups. Knowing I'm able to contribute to the research community early in my career is just one of the many reasons I'm proud to be part of the UNLV PT program.
Las Vegas is an iconic city with a global impact, and UNLV PT is at the center of it all. Our expansive network and reputation gives you exposure to a variety of clinical experiences across Nevada, allowing you to make a difference even before you graduate.
I moved to Las Vegas for UNLV's PT program because it offers a great education with diverse learning opportunities, both in the classroom and in the clinical setting. Getting all of that at a reasonable cost made the decision to come here an easy one. And outside of school, there's so much to do, from climbing at Red Rock to hiking the nearby trails and national parks. During Neuro Lab one time, we got to speak with individuals with spinal cord injuries. This was very cool because I got to learn about their day-to-day experiences.
Our city's sports industry, growing population, and high earning potential make obtaining your doctorate here an exciting and rewarding choice. From pediatric to geriatric, high-performance athletics to everyday wellness, there's no limit to where you can take your physical therapy career. Ready to take the next step? Apply today.